Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be putting you through on the butterfly gele. Butterfly gele is one of the new gele styles. It's unique. It's not your regular gele. I'll be putting you through on how you can tie this gele. So I'm going to see you at the other side. So see you after the intro. For the butterfly gele, you need your gele asho okay. You divide it into two equal parts, 50-50. Then you start from the front. You start with your pleat. So I'm going to start with the pleat now. You put like 3-4 pleats in front, depending on how big your asho okay is. So I'm going to add as much as I can create. You tell your model to help you hold it at the point. Okay, sorry darling, let me hold it there. So I'm going to take this all the way. Remember the rule for the butterfly gele is 50-50. Then you take it all the way to the back. You start from the front. You take it all the back to the back. Then you cross it at the back when you get to the back. So I'm trying to create my pleats right now. The pleats add to the beauty. That's the pleats. It adds to the beauty of the butterfly gele. So I'm taking it all the way now. I'm going to cross it at the back. I'm going to cross it. You know it's 50-50. I'll just cross it equally at the back. Then I'm going to bring it back forward. You know it's 50-50. So I cross it. Then I bring one of the hands forward. Then you now start putting your pleats on this side of the one of the hands. So you start putting your pleats. Gradually put your pleats in it. And then, so I'll be putting my pleats down. Then you're going to pin this down. That's one of the ants. That's the butterfly ant. I'm going to pin it down. So I'm trying to create like a fan on it. That makes it really very pretty. So I'm pulling it to make it firm as well. So I want to make it very firm, so that the butterfly can stand very well. Okay, so I think we have gotten that now. Make sure it's in the middle. Yes, that's it. Because you're going to bring the other hand. That's the other butterfly. We're going to bring this on top of this. So I'm going to hold it down. You can use your pin just to secure it in. You can use your pin to secure it in. I want to make sure it's well placed so it doesn't lose when I'm putting the other one on it. So now it's okay. So I'm going to use my pin to secure it. I'm going to secure it, pin it down so you don't lose your pleats. Okay. So I'm going to use another pin to hold it down. I don't want it to lose. Okay, let me have it. So I'm pinning it down so it doesn't lose, doesn't come off. So can you see the whole excess? So I'm going to put the other hand, that's the second hand, on top of this. And you start with your pleats. So I'm going to pleat it. So I'm going to pleat it on top of this. I will start with my single pleat, then I'll keep putting the pleat on it till it gets to the end of the asho okay. So I'll keep putting my pleats. Try and straighten it as you're doing that. Try and straighten it. Try and straighten it. Okay. Note my hand movements. Just gradually. Note my hand movement. Can you see I'm placing it on this directly? Then I take it all the way to the back. Then I now start with my fan. The fan makes it really very pretty. So I'll start putting my fan on it like this till it gets to the edge. and make sure it's very firm so it doesn't lose. Okay, that's it. That's the two abebe or butterfly. Can you see? That's it. Can you see? It's really very pretty. For people that just want to stand out, you don't want the regular gele. You just want something different. Then this, we do it. Just roll this at the back. Then you're good to go. So for those parties that just want to stand out from the crowd, try this particular style. Arrange it. You know, when it comes to gele, your finishing is very key. Your finishing is very, very important. Make sure it's well finished and your pleats align very well. Okay, can you see that? Okay, so yeah. Yes, our butterfly gele is ready. Can you see this? And you know what? This butterfly gele is not your regular gele. Stand there from the crowd. So try this next time. And thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and please on the notification button, because when you subscribe and you don't on the notification button, you don't see the video. But when the notification button is on, you get to see the video first. Thank you, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye bye.